3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you're experiencing the problem of Marvel Rivals getting stuck at the loading screen at either 99% or 0%, and even facing penalties due to this, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Begin by ensuring that the game is installed on your primary drive, preferably an SSD. If it's not, move the game to your SSD for better performance. You can do this by opening Steam, right-clicking on the game, selecting Properties, and then navigating to the Install Files option. There, choose Move Install Folder, select your SSD, and confirm the move. Alternatively, you can uninstall the game and reinstall it directly on SSD. If moving the game doesn't solve the issue, and you're using the Epic Launcher, consider uninstalling the game from Epic and reinstalling it via Steam. The Steam version tends to be more stable and might help resolve the loading issue. If the problem persists, disable any overlays in your system. For Steam, go to Settings and toggle off the Enable the Steam overlay while in Game option. Similarly, in Discord, navigate to the Game Overlay settings and disable in-game overlay. If you have software like MSI Afterburner or RivaTuner installed, completely uninstall them as they can interfere with the game's performance. After making these changes, restart your PC and relaunch the game.